about education. You guys know better than anybody. A kid who's not getting enough food or not getting the right nutritious food isn't going to learn this stuff.
There is not a school chef that doesn't have really limited resources, a very limited kitchen, very little time to serve a lot of kids. I mean, these are challenges every day that the folks are overcoming. I think that they're heroes. I think that folks are coming together. They're understanding their role even better and realizing that yes, we do great work, but we have some real improvements that we can make. And so we're seeing just incredible change happening all over the country. This is so important. Obviously, so many of the education and nutrition education and basic information that schools utilize to implement their programs most effectively come from here and like places. So it's been absolutely great to work so closely with the Institute, and you know, it's just grateful for all the great things that come as well, because we have a long way to go. And the more information that schools have and that chefs have to effectively implement these programs and these strategies, the better off we're going to be. So it's just been great.